Hi, Faith. Hi, beautiful. Now I can see your pretty little face. How are you? Are you playing the piano? Huh? Ah, you're peeling the thing, huh? Hello, handsome. Are you eating blueberries? Mmm, those look good. You gonna put it in the trash for me, Faith? You're such a good girl. Thank you. I love you. Can I have some kisses?
Mom, you don't know what this is.
It's ABCs and 1, 2, 3s.
Ah, how'd you know?
'Cause I saw it before you peeled it off. Can I put your hair in a pretty braid today? What are you doing?
Mom, can I take a picture?
Hang on, hang on.
Mom,
You want to take a picture?
yes.
Okay, you just point this at us. Whoever you want to point at, okay? Here. Hey, there went your blueberries.
Mom, which button do you click?
It's already on. You don't have to push any buttons. It's already on.
No, I mean which button do you click to take the picture?
Oh, you're not taking a picture, honey. It's recording. You're making a movie.
Oh.
I got it on movie mode.
Oh.
Isn't that neat? Let's see. Blueberries. You're so cute, Faith. I love you. Faith is so cute. JJ, sip on the piano.
Well, I record the piano with the blueberry.
Okay, now can I get you? Because you're way more beautiful. Ooh, listen to that pretty melody. It's a jumping, dancing, rootin' tootin' time. Woo! Let me push a button. Nice, nice. Faith, you get to do a handspring class tomorrow, you know it? And Miss Laura, is that going to be great?
Mom, did we miss the tumbling?
Huh?
Did we miss the tumbling?
No, you're going to do the handspring where you know, you do backflips and cartwheels and splits and all that good stuff. That's going to be so much fun.
JJ tried to do one.
JJ, you're so silly. Look at JJ. He's like, I'm going to do it.
But he can't.
Is that so silly?
Why can't?
Faith, did you teach JJ to do that?
No.
You did it?
No. Yes.
Look at you guys. You guys are too cute. Woohoo! JJ. Hi, beautiful. Good job, Faith. Yay, right on, baby. You're too cute. You are too cute. Woohoo! Look at that beautiful girl. Woohoo! Look at that beautiful girl. Hi. What are you doing? Huh? Do you have a tractor, JJ? JJ. JJ, hi. What you got?
I need to eat.
You want to eat that now? Okay, give it to me. What's it doing, JJ? Take it in the kitchen where it can go better on the floor. Take it in the kitchen on the floor in there. It can drive better, huh? There he goes. Thank you, Sissy. Woohoo! There it went. That remote control's not working on the tractor. He thinks it's